If you go to the Tian Shan Mountains of northern China, you won't just find some really nice river terrace step sequences. You will also find a mega channel that begins with a cataract. That's this rounded bank edge on the upstream end of the channel. This is called an escarpment edge, and it is in the characteristic U shape of a cataract. This forms from water flowing over it, just like the famous ones in Washington. This cataract is 4.3 times wider than the renowned Frenchman Coulee, which is absolutely massive. And compared to Dry Falls, Washington, where this animation is overlaid, it is over 2.5 times larger. We can see how the river enters through the center. We can't help but to notice how this looks very similar to the Monterey Bay, which has one of the best marine canyons in the world. From our study of these underwater canyons, we already know about the vast amounts of rock debris that carved these canyons deep underwater. Back in China, we see how old riverbanks continue upstream on either side of the cataract. This was the previous, larger channel. On one side, we can actually count 4 prior riverbanks, each giving us farther insight into the past. This channel has an estimated width of about 6.2 kilometers. This makes the massive cataract seem like a small feature in comparison, that formed later as the water flow decreased, and that's exactly what happened. Cataracts are eroded backwards over time. So this escarpment edge was previously farther downstream. It ended here decisively because the huge current that formed it also ended decisively, just like what happened from the outburst floods of Washington state. That's why the channel of the modern river that still runs through it is not even close to the same width. Scientists call this an underfit stream. But wait, there's more. Not too far from here is the same feature, but over twice as large, at a stupid 5.16 kilometers wide. And the channel grows to over 6 kilometers wide. If you don't like how catastrophic this erosion is, go yell at the riverbank and not me. I just report the erosion.